Hello, and thank you for checking out the channel here. Just want to say this to save you some time. If you're into artificial super intelligence research, going into where research takes, I don't know what it takes to say that you have super intelligence or you're trying to work on super intelligence. It's kind of a highly debatable subject, I suppose. But what I'm doing here is I've identified many major, outstanding problems throughout science and mathematics. I'm trying to think of a way to explain it to myself outside of being completely abstract to everyone else. All been experimental, you know what I mean? I've been just working with these mathematical frameworks translated into a JSON formatted structure that is then read by the model, the neural network, and it goes through its series of processes you can do inside of these existing necessary processing. You know what I mean? In order to be considered a neural network, it has to do certain things, I guess. But, you have options within those things. So I'm trying those options. You know what I mean? I'm just that's where my layer of work is at.